Hey, Eric.
Hey.
Good. Can you say mama?
No.
Oh, nose. Good. Can you say nose?
No.
Good. Can you say eyes?
I.
Good. Can you say dog?
Car.
Good. Can you say bird? Can you say bird? Bird?
Boo.
Good. Can you say bye-bye? Eric, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Good. Say hi.
I.
All right. Can you say go dog go?
Go.
Good. Can you say 1, 2, 1,
Live.
3. Good. All right. Eric, say Eric.
Egg.
Good.